guys, and in this video I'll show you how to reorganize your watch faces on the Apple Watch SE 2nd generation. Let's get started. Just press and hold the current watch face and you'll be able to see the option to edit it. So now you can change the color just by using this digital crown to scroll through the menu, just like this, and just tap at the preferred one. And if you swipe left, you'll be able to see the complications. So you can change it for each of the four corners. Let's do it. For example, rain, we can switch to the temperature, and timer we can replace with 1 minute, for example. We can do just the same for the temperature, so we can switch to the wind, and for activity we can choose battery instead. And that's it. Now you know how to edit your watch faces. Hope this video was useful for you, and thank you so much for watching.